Hi, this is Pepe from Barcelona, Spain. I'm going to explain how to use an auxiliary channel in your DAW. For this, I will just use some examples from a record we made last weekend with our funk band. So let me just show you the setup. So last weekend we recorded at the home of the guitarist. This was the setup, as you can see here. So basically the drums was a minimalist set, everything with a microphone. We used the AKG microphones, and then an overhead, which was in this case a valve a condenser microphone. Then the bass was going directly through a DI. The keyboard was directly connected to our Yamaha NS12. Then the guitar amplifier was far away from this room, and also the sound was collected with an AKG microphone. Everything was routed through the Yamaha NS12 and recorded at 44.1 kilohertz 24-bit using Cubase software. So basically, I wanted to use Logic to do the final mixing. So what happened is that we took all of the WAV files, which were basically exports from the Cubase channel by channel, and then you can basically create in a Logic an empty project. Then you can start adding. It's in Spanish, but okay, it's fine. This is an audio track, mono. If the track is mono, and then you create it. You basically, we don't have any input, and then you basically drag all of the tracks here, and you start aligning them, and then you get all of the different channels imported into your project. If you click on multimedia, you can see all of the tracks, and then you can start working on the mixing. So this is what I already did. So this is the result. So in here you see all of the files that were imported to the project, and then here you have everything. I just colored what is drums, what is bass, this is keyboard, this is guitar, this is another copy of the guitar. You will see that I put it in another channel. Then the solo of the guitar we recorded different, and then another track for a solo that I didn't like, so it's right. Okay, so in principle, here we have the drums, and I'm putting this in solo, so you can hear the drums. Let me see. Let me see if you can hear or not. Yes. Okay, so this is the mix of the drums. Let me just explain. A part of the equalization, compression, some reverbs, noise gates, etc. So the basic thing here is that I just put here all of the volumes for the different tracks. So you can see, for example, that if you want to hear the kick and the snare, for example, so this is the kick, the snare, and then the Charles, overhead. Okay, so you can see that you can build the drum set. Here I define the curve of the volumes that in the end I want. So it's very convenient when you have once you have a mix of the drums to route all of the signal to an auxiliary channel. So you can basically reduce the volume of the whole drum set at once. So here is the auxiliary. drums, it's now at 0.7, mic 0.7, so I find this very convenient because once you define your sound, you can basically increase the volume or lower the volume of the drums at once for all of the channels. So in order to do this, basically you need to route this through to send it to one of the bus or auxiliary channel. So I'm going to do it here just so you see. So basically this is the send. You send it to one bus, then you increase normally the volume to 0 here, and then later it is important that you there are different ways to send it. Pre, which means that it doesn't affect the volume that you put in the channel, or either to which speaker you send it. Post or post panoramic. So normally I use post panoramic because normally I pan the signals, and then once you do this, it's very important that you then unselect the output for this channel. If not, you have duplicated things which are not very good. So for example, let's see in this case, if I keep it in this way and then I just put everything like this in solo, you will see that now I have routed this, the bass and the drums, but if I put this down, I still have the bass because it's in output 1 0 1 2, sorry. So you should take it, and then you have everything here. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. I will put it again how it was. And well, yes, I am not using here any cropping technique. We made 2 records or 3 for each song. I'm using another guitar solo here. So basically what I'm doing is using the automation to at some point to lower the guitar here and make the other to appear. So this is okay, so this is more or less the effect it has, and if you hear in the complete song, and when the solo exits again, kind of unnatural because here there is a cue, but okay, fine. Everything is recorded in live. There is no movement of any signal except for my fault at the last bass note, which was not on time. So I just move it a bit. And for the next songs I'm going to mix from this band, basically I will use the cropping technique to solve if there are any kind of errors in the execution or something like this. But the purpose of this video was to show how to use the bass or to send a signal to an auxiliary channel in order to control the volume, which I think it's really a great thing. So have fun. I just put some part of the song so you can hear a bit more. Okay, this is without mastering. I also mastered the song, but it's quite out of scope of this week. And if you like it, if you like our band, just click on thank me look for us in Facebook, and we will add you. Thanks a lot, and see you next week.